Hey everyone, welcome back to Get Younger, where we dive deep into natural health hacks that actually work without breaking the bank or your body. I'm Jess, and today, I've got something that's seriously changed how I think about medicine, and it's right in my own backyard. If you've ever felt trapped by endless prescriptions, skyrocketing doctor bills, or just that nagging worry about what those pills are doing to your gut, this is for you. We're talking about Backyard Healing Herbs by Mary Swanson, or as I like to call her, Grandma Mary. This isn't some fluffy wellness trend. It's a 260-page powerhouse based on 250 years of real-deal pharmacy secrets from an 18th-century ship doctor. And get this, it turns your tiny patch of dirt, or even a windowsill, into a full-on healing factory. Stick around for the next 15 minutes as I break it all down. What it is, the game-changing system inside, real results from users like you and me, and why I think this could be the smartest $39 you'll spend on your health this year. If you're tired of Big Pharma's side effect roulette, hit that like button now and let's grow some miracles together. What exactly is Backyard Healing Herbs? So, picture this, you're not a master gardener. You've got zero green thumb. Maybe you live in a cramped apartment or a desert climate where nothing survives. Sound familiar? Backyard Healing Herbs is your no BS blueprint to flip that script. Created by Donna Nicholson in partnership with 87-year-old Grandma Mary, who inherited her grandpa's ancient remedy notebook, this book hands you a step-by-step system to grow powerhouse herbs that tackle everything from high cholesterol and joint pain to anxiety, wonky blood sugar, and even ADHD in kids. It's not just a book, it's a rebellion against the industrial medical complex, as they call it. We're talking scientifically backed remedies pulled from global traditions. Think Michigan University studies showing a 2,000% potency boost in homegrown herbs versus store-bought junk. No more shelling out hundreds on supplements from shady pharma-owned companies that are basically overpriced sawdust. Instead, you brew teas, tinctures, and rubs in minutes, using stuff that's fresher than your morning coffee. And the best part? It fits anyone's life. We're talking postage stamp-sized gardens that take minutes a day. No weeding wars, no pest invasions, no back-breaking bends. Grandma Mary's ship doctor system, honed over 150 years on stormy seas, makes it idiot-proof. Even my neighbor's teen, Veronica, set up a full garden in days with no experience. If she can do it, trust me, you can. Inside the book, the herbs, recipes, and magic tricks. All right, let's crack this thing open. At 260 pages, packed with color picks and easy charts, it's like having Grandma Mary whispering in your ear. The core? A hands-free, growing system that ditches all the gardening headaches. First up, the Guardian method. This is your shield against chemicals, from seed to soil to water. They even teach a simple mason jar test to check if your dirt's nutrient ready, plus infection-proofing tips straight from old-school sailors. Grow in pots, raised beds, or vertical setups, it adapts to your space and weather like a chameleon. Now, the real gold, 24 superhero herbs, each with at least 5 medical superpowers. We're talking turmeric for slashing inflammation and guarding your heart and brain, echinacea elixirs that supercharge immunity, soothe gums, and ease joint aches, backed by the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health. Or dandelion blends for nuking bloating, constipation, and that post-meal misery. Let me hit you with some standout recipes I've tried. The Metabolism Miracle. Parrot, miracle plant, with everyday kitchen spice for weight loss that actually sticks. University of Michigan says home growing amps it up 2,000%. I dropped 5 pounds in 2 weeks without dieting drama. Sunshine Surprise Tea. 3 floral euros to melt anxiety and stress. Penn research shows it rivals fancy therapies, but for pennies. Sipped this during a crazy work week? Bliss in a mug. Power Drink Punch. A perennial herb elixir, no caffeine crash, just steady energy. This bad boy sparked wars in the Far East for its kick. Now it's my pre-workout secret. Sleep Savior. Valerian root tea for dreamland that sharpens memory, balances blood sugar, and trims waistlines. WebMD links poor sleep to heart palpitations. This fixed mine overnight. Nausea Ninja. A ginger twist that crushes vomiting, per University of Exeter studies. Game changer for motion sickness or chemo chats. And don't sleep on the peppermint rub for headaches. A European journal swears it's as good as OTC stuff, minus the liver load. Plus, PMS busters, allergy zappers, and even ADHD calmers for the littles. Why grow your own? Scientific American spills that store herbs are nutrient zapped from factory farms. Home stuff? Potent AF. And per the CDC, it sidesteps antibiotic resistance with natural fighters. Bonus alert. Snag 4 free guides worth $156. Native American Secrets, Wild Edibles ID. Hello, Survival Skills, Self-Sufficient Veggie Blueprints, and Shoebox Gardens for City Slickers. Oh, and 12 months of email hand-holding from Donna and Mary? Priceless. Real talk, benefits, testimonials, and my honest take. Look, I've reviewed a ton of health programs, but this one's different because it's empowering. No more waiting rooms or, just take this pill, BS. Users rave about ditching meds and reclaiming control. Donna's family tossed 7 RX and OTC bottles, saved $541 a year on cholesterol, BP, allergies, joints, and kid focus. They feel happier, kids fight over garden spots. Testimonials, gold. Betsy says, you and Grandma Mary made me feel like you were with me every step. I went through this twice. Liz. A brand new sense of peace. So powerful and simple. Suzanne. Hands down the easiest guide, faster and cheaper. Hundreds more echo. Better sleep, energy surges, weight melts, immunity armor. 175-year-old? Grew her first harvest solo. My spin. As someone who's battled joint flare-ups and stress eating, this system's a lifesaver. Pros? Beginner-proof, cheap, family fun, even sell extras for side cash. Cons? It's a physical book, so digital folks might want the optional PDF. And yeah, herbs take 4-6 weeks to mature, but that's faster than most quick fixes. Bottom line, if you're over side effects, hello, liver strain from Satins, this builds your unlimited medicine cabinet. Peace of mind? Off the charts. Pricing, guarantee, and is it worth it? Value time. At $39 for the first edition hardcover, free shipping, jumps to $69 soon. It's a steal versus $1,250 seminars or endless sups. Throw in those bonuses? You're laughing. Risk? 0. The 60-day, Grandma Strong, guarantee. Full refund, no book return, keep it as a gift. Supplies flop? Up to $150 back with proof. They bet on its simplicity because it works. Worth it? 100% if natural health's your jam. Saved my family $45 per month already. Scalable too. Start small, expand to full self-sufficiency. Conclusion: few. That's backyard healing herbs, your ticket to ditching drugs for dirt-grown dynamite. If you're ready to heal like your ancestors, with modern science nods, grab it at official website. Use my link in the description for that sweet $39 deal before it vanishes. What about you? Ever grown your own remedies? Drop in the comments, anxiety tea or sleep savior first. Smash subscribe for more reviews like this, bell on for alerts, and share with that friend drowning in pill bottles. Thanks for watching. Go plant something epic today. See you next time.